Welcome, design enthusiasts! Today we embark on a journey to transform your living room into a stylish haven with the focal point being the TV unit. The TV unit is not just a functional piece, it's a statement of your style and personality. Designing the perfect TV unit for your living room can be a thrilling yet challenging endeavor. In this extensive exploration, we'll delve into a myriad of TV unit design ideas, offering valuable advice, highlighting the advantages of having a TV unit in your living space, and shedding light on the latest tips and trends in the world of home decor. A TV unit serves as a hub for all your entertainment essentials. From gaming consoles to DVDs, it keeps your space organized, eliminating clutter and creating a streamlined look. Beyond its practicality, a thoughtfully designed TV unit enhances the visual appeal of your living room. It could be a design focal point, elevating the overall aesthetics of the space. One of the unsung heroes of TV units is their ability to hide those pesky wires. Tangled cords can be an eyesore, and a well-designed unit ensures they stay out of sight. TV units come in various styles, allowing for personalization that suits your taste. Whether you prefer a minimalist, industrial, or traditional look, there's a TV unit designed to match. Embrace the illusion of a floating TV by incorporating shelves that blend seamlessly with the wall. This modern design not only looks chic but also saves floor space. Opt for TV units with additional storage or display options. This could include built-in bookshelves, cabinets, or even a fireplace for that cozy touch. Experiment with contrasting colors to make your TV unit stand out. Dark units against light-colored walls or vice versa can create a striking visual impact. Combine different materials like wood, metal, and glass to add depth and interest to your TV unit. This eclectic mix can be a conversation starter. Before making any purchases, measure your space carefully. Consider the dimensions of your TV and any additional electronics you plan to incorporate. Achieve a harmonious look by balancing the size of your TV unit with the rest of your furniture. It should complement the room's proportions without overwhelming the space. Storage is crucial, especially if you have a lot of entertainment gadgets. Choose a unit that provides ample storage while maintaining a sleek appearance. Invest in cable organizers or units with built-in cable management features. This ensures your setup remains clean and clutter-free. The minimalist trend is still going strong. Clean lines, simple shapes, and a clutter-free look contribute to a modern and sophisticated feel. Incorporate natural materials like wood and stone to bring an organic and timeless touch to your TV unit. These materials add warmth and character to the space. With the rise of smart home technology, consider TV units with integrated features like hidden charging stations, smart lighting, or even voice-activated controls. Consider incorporating ambient lighting into your TV unit design. LED strips, recessed lighting, or even strategically placed table lamps can add a layer of sophistication to your setup. This not only serves a practical purpose by improving visibility but also creates a cozy atmosphere for those movie nights. Transform your TV unit into a gallery by displaying art pieces or personal photographs. Floating shelves or built-in niches provide the perfect canvas to showcase your favorite artworks, adding a personal touch to the space. This eclectic mix of technology and artistry creates a dynamic and visually engaging living room. For a seamless integration with the overall design of your living room, choose a TV unit that complements your existing furniture and decor. The goal is to create a cohesive look that feels intentional rather than an afterthought. Harmonizing colors, textures, and styles will tie the room together, making the TV unit an integral part of the overall aesthetic. Position your TV unit at an optimal height and distance for comfortable viewing. The center of the screen should be at eye level when seated, ensuring a pleasurable experience for everyone in the room. If your TV unit allows for tilting or swiveling, take advantage of these features to customize the viewing experience. Bring a touch of nature into your living space by incorporating plants into your TV unit design. Consider placing potted plants on shelves or using hanging planters to add a refreshing burst of greenery. Not only do plants contribute to improved air quality, but they also introduce a natural element that softens the technological feel of the TV unit. As technology evolves, so do the features of modern TV units. Keep an eye on the latest advancements, such as units with built-in sound systems, motorized lifts, or even those designed specifically for gaming setups. Integrating these technological marvels not only enhances your entertainment experience but also future-proofs your living room for upcoming trends. Infuse your TV unit with elements that resonate with your personality. Whether it's framed artwork, travel souvenirs, or unique decor pieces, these personal touches make the space truly yours. Create a narrative with items that hold sentimental value, turning your TV unit into a reflection of your life's journey. Open shelving has become a popular choice for modern TV units. It not only adds an airy feel to the room but also provides an opportunity to display decorative items and showcase your personality. Mix and match books, decorative objects, and stylish storage baskets to strike the perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. For a sleek and contemporary look, consider wall mounting your TV unit. This not only saves floor space but also creates a visually striking design element. Pair it with floating shelves or cabinets underneath to maintain a clean and uncluttered appearance. Introduce texture to your TV unit design to create visual interest. Consider materials like reclaimed wood, textured wallpaper, or even stone accents. These elements not only add depth but also create a tactile experience, making your TV unit a sensory delight. Don't feel restricted to a single design style for your TV unit. Mixing and matching furniture styles can result in a more eclectic and personalized look. For example, pair a sleek, modern TV unit with vintage-inspired accessories or vice versa. The juxtaposition of different styles adds character and charm to your living space. Maximize functionality by opting for dual-purpose furniture. Some TV units come with integrated storage that doubles as a seating bench or a stylish coffee table. This not only optimizes space but also adds versatility to your living room layout. Transform the wall behind your TV unit into a captivating feature. Use wallpaper, a bold paint color, or textured panels to create a visually stunning backdrop. This technique draws attention to the TV unit, making it a focal point in the room. Elevate your TV unit design by incorporating artistic paneling around the television. This could be in the form of wooden slats, geometric patterns, or custom design panels. Such details not only add a touch of luxury but also elevate the overall design aesthetic. Achieve a cohesive look by harmonizing colors and patterns within your TV unit design. Consider the color palette of your room and choose a TV unit that complements existing furniture and decor. Introduce subtle patterns through textiles or accessories to tie the design together seamlessly. When investing in a TV unit, consider its longevity in terms of design and functionality. Choose a style that has timeless appeal and can adapt to evolving trends. This ensures that your living room remains stylish and relevant for years to come. Customizable TV units are gaining popularity, allowing homeowners to tailor the design to their specific needs. This ensures a unique and personalized touch to your living room. In the ever-evolving world of interior design, crafting the perfect TV unit involves a delicate balance of functionality, aesthetics, and personalization. It's not merely a place to house your electronics, it's a canvas to express your style and create a harmonious living environment. From minimalist designs to bold statements, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the journey of curating a TV unit that not only meets your practical needs but also transforms your living room into a space that resonates with your unique sense of style. In conclusion, designing a TV unit is not just about accommodating your entertainment devices, it's about creating an environment that reflects your style and enhances your living space. Whether you lean towards a modern, minimalist look or more traditional aesthetic, the key is to strike a balance that brings both functionality and beauty to the forefront. Happy designing!